What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Dumbo, the flying elephant at Disney's Magic Kingdom theme park. This is one of the classics, and even though it has a pretty simple ride layout, it's still one of the most popular attractions at Magic Kingdom. Last week we did a big live stream going through a full walkthrough of Magic Kingdom, riding all the rides and watching all the shows. So if you are interested in that, click the top link. And if you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.